Andre Knight, the board chair of the OIC board, and we're just happy to be here on our 50th anniversary, celebrating our golden anniversary here in Rocky Mount. OIC has been in our community over 50 years, and we help people to help themselves. And I'm just elated by looking at the crowd and the community, and our sponsor who has come out to support this great organization. And I pray that we have many, many more.